Wings on a gas grill, part 2.
I used to shy away from wings on a gas grill until 2020 when Greg showed me how to cook wings on a gas grill. Today we bring you wings on a gas grill, part 2. Extra flavor, extra tips for you.
We're going to be giving you a tip on the rub. We're going to be giving you an extra tip on flavor. We're also going to be giving you a tip on how to make sure your wife loves these wings. Don't you laugh at me.
Go on. Go ahead.
What's wrong with it?
This is all you.
You just got to let me roll with it, man. You get it on camera and you edit it.
Bland, under-seasoned chicken. Who wants that?
He does. That's how he cooks chicken. We're going to give you some extra tips and extra tricks how to make your wings on the gas grill come out phenomenal.
If you learned something today, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment.
Here's tip number 1. Make sure you pat the wings dry. What we're going to do is go ahead and pat them dry. Make sure these guys come out a little bit crispy. You want to get all the moisture off of them. Let them come up to room temperature. Always start on the top, and the reason why you start on the top is because you're going to flip them over and you're going to pat the other side dry. Just like so. We say that in the South, y'all. We got all the wings patted dry, we're good. All right, so what we're going to do, here's one of the tips we're going to give you today. When you're cooking for a large crowd, you're cooking on the gas grill, you're cooking for convenience. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a bag and we're gonna place our wings in a bag. And this is gonna speed up the process for seasoning your wings, and I'm gonna show you how to do this. It's gonna be a really simple process. I'm gonna take one plate and put it in here, just like so. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pour some olive oil in here. And don't worry, this recipe will be in the description below. And what the olive oil is gonna do is gonna help the wings absorb whatever seasoning you're putting on there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to add some of our rub, Memphis Style Rub, and it's going to be in the description below, as always. You're going to add that in there. And I love the olive oil because what it does is it helps coat the wings. It acts as a binder and it spreads evenly on the chicken. So you're just going to shake that up. It's almost like you're frying chicken, but you're not. You know, you're putting just the seasoning on the chicken and you're spreading it around nice and evenly. Even coat, just shake it up just like that. Real simple, real easy. Bada bing, bada boom.
Memphis style.
Memphis style, baby. This is gonna make these wings on the gas grill come out amazing. Got our first wings done over here. Look at your wings here. Rubs nicely, evenly spread across the wing. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay these out. Just put them on your plate, lay them out. Now you see how the rubs kind of, distribute it evenly amongst the chicken, and when you cook it, it's going to take on the color of that marinade and it's going to take on a little bit more of that flavor. But what we're going to do is we're going to add another depth because it is BluffCityGrub, and we cannot not have layers of flavor. So we're going to hit it with a little bit more rub right there on the top of it. Boom, just like so. Look at it. I mean, the chicken already looks good. It just hadn't got its tan yet, which is unfortunate, but we're gonna help it out. All right, cool. We're gonna do our other batch of wings.
Wings on a gas grill. These are gonna be some crispy, juicy, tender wings.
Add a little oil, add a little bit of rub. All right, we're gonna close this up. We're gonna shake it up, spread that rub around evenly. Now, one of the keys to make sure these wings come out really good is sometimes what I'll do is to make sure I can fit all the wings on the grill, I'll take the same size wing and kind of line them up together. You can do that if you want to do it. You see how the wings are all going the same way? Makes it really easy to stack them on top of each other when you put them on the grill. And that is a fact, my friend. You got these wings seasoned, layers of flavor. Here we go, buddy. All right, we're gonna go ahead and heat this grill up, and we're gonna get these wings, wings rolling.
One of the mistakes people make is they don't make sure their grill grates are properly oiled and cleaned prior to cooking their wings on the gas grill. We'll be using a high smoke point avocado oil, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna oil the top rack. That's where we're gonna be cooking today.
Throw some wings on this bad boy.
Yeah. How are we gonna add another layer of flavor?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna add smoke on the gas grill is another layer of flavor. So we got some smoke bombs already made, but we have a little bit of fruit wood, which is apple, and then we also have hickory as well. You're gonna put this right over the fire. You can kind of put it in between the burners. It'll catch and it'll start smoking. We're gonna put these on 15 minutes before we put our wings on to let it start smoking. It's not gonna smoke for that long. We probably have about a good 30 minutes. And so as soon as it starts smoking, we're gonna get our wings on. Wings on a gas grill. We're gonna go ahead and get these wings on there. Now we're gonna treat the grill like an oven. We got the burners going, they're going on low. The temperature that we're shooting for is about 400. We're gonna put our wings on the top rack, just like this. We're gonna line them up, fit them all on here, and what we're gonna try to strive for is flipping these guys every 10 to 15 minutes while they're up here. We're gonna let these things roast off with the smoke rolling. We're gonna flip every 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so wings have been rolling for about 15 minutes here. You might have or experience flare-ups because of the fat dripping down all over the smoke bombs. What you wanna do is you wanna make sure you move them back from under the wings to make sure you don't scorch them. You're just gonna go ahead and flip these guys. Every 10 to 15 minutes, we're gonna flip them. Just like so. I'm telling you, man. And since we're flipping them, here at Bluff City Grub, you know what we like to do.
We're gonna need another layer of flavor.
Another layer of flavor. All right, right there.
Oh, those are looking good.
What you need right there, see this guy, he needs a tan. He's got a little bit of oil on him. Just gonna add a little bit of extra. Darken him up a little bit. And flavor. Just sprinkle a little bit more rub right over the top of it. It's fine. All right, we're gonna let them roll for another 10 to 15 minutes and rotate them again. All right, so we're rolling at about 400. It's been about 20,
25.
It's been about 20, 25 minutes. Look at these wings. They're looking delicious right here. We got the smoke bombs, smoke still rolling out of smoke bombs. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and flip these wings one more time. Look at that skin bubbling right there. We just flipped them over. We're gonna let these continue cooking, but hang on. Wings on the gas grill. Of course, you know Bluff City Grub. Like I said, we gotta go one more
Layer of flavor.
That's what I'm talking about. Look at these juices dripping. Just give them a light sprinkle. You gotta go heavy. Fairy dust, fairy dust. Just like emerald. Bam! Just like that. All right, shut that lid and let it roll for another 10 to 15. You got the wings over here. Look at this color on these wings. They're looking really good.
Greg, what temp do we want to take these wings off at?
You want to take these wings off. Look, when you're cooking wings, thighs, or anything, what you want to make sure you do is you want to make sure it's at least 185. 180, 185. Wings on the gas grill. Let's get them.
So what we're gonna do is go ahead and we're just gonna drizzle some sauce on these wings. We're just gonna take our baster, just touch these guys up. This is the best tip we're gonna give you all day, is to sauce your wings at the end of the cook. Now, as Greg has always said, at Bluff City, there's always one more layer of flavor. So we got our wing sauce. We're just gonna hit that quick rub here at the end. Yeah, we got them seasoning the sauce on one side. Last thing we want to do before we serve these wings is flip them over. Same thing again. We've hit one side, we're gonna hit the other. This is absolutely the best tip. You do not want to add sauce while you're cooking throughout the whole process. That'll give you a chewy, non-crispy wing, which is not what Greg is looking for, because Greg is the expert on wings on the gas grill.
These wings are done. We're gonna go ahead and get these off of the gas grill. Look at that. Look at that color, man. Look at that flavor just pulsating through right there. These wings look really good. These are barbecue wings. These are Memphis style wings on the gas grill. These things are sauced. They're boss. I'm telling you, man, they are delicious. Here at Bluff City Grub, we've basted, but we hadn't tasted. And the reason why is because we got to hit it with what? We rolling?
Yeah.
We got to hit it with what? One more layer of flavor right there. That's how we do it in Memphis, Tennessee. The M-Town. Go Grizz.
Bluff City.
You ready?
With a little smoke.
Let's get it. Appreciate it, Jeff. You're cooking next time, right?
I cooked half of this time.
No, you didn't.